You're watching RRLRC, home of backyard RC car racing.
Last round, Cullen held off Post to extend his point series lead. With Post's back to the wall, he came out swinging here in round 7, picking up pole position, and he's ready to hit the loud pedal here at Red Hawk Raceway.
Ladies and gentlemen, get ready, get on your feet.
There's the green flag. Round number 7 has started. 5 cars heading for turn 1 at Red Hawk Raceway.
Cullen hit that corner mightily too early.
The rest of the field is quick to keep it moving. Post is the front runner early.
Post has the fastest car on the
racetrack.
Wow. Welcome, everybody. Cam Cullen here, joined by Jebby Jones Jr. to bring you today's Round 7 backyard buggy action as Nelson takes a hard tumble off the jump.
Sorry I was so late. I got my nuts caught up in a tractor pull.
For those of you that don't know, Jebby was on sabbatical in Alaska.
I was dropping a load off until I got the call from Esau yelling at me because Lars puts up the farm for sale on goddamn farmers only.
Meanwhile, Cullen is not having a good drive early around the new redesign.
I had to hide the U-Haul and everything. But if I've been sipping too much of that White Lightning brew, or is that really come Cullen in last place? Should have did that last week. I'd still have my damn farm.
Not only is Cullen in last, but Kosch and Luisa battle for second with Post ahead to round out the top 3.
I can't see this turn, bro.
3 seconds.
Dude, this is Brent.
Cullen can't say and has no grip. This track will get more trickier than a $3 whore. Holy knuckles.
That's Post with the crash landing, trying to get around the lap traffic. That is Cullen. This battle for second starting to heat up. Oh, Kosch, with the pink wing, takes a hard spill. He's on his lid.
Close quarters here at Red Hawk Raceway. They're not trying to take each other out. They're just racing hard.
Luisa made his only visit to the podium back here in round 3, and he looks to keep moving forward. Nelson in 4th, now not too far off that second place pace.
Kosch looking to squeeze in on Luisa. Stay consistent now. Wow, Kosch, what a flip. Everybody will be checking their screws after this one.
1 round until the checkered flag in the inaugural Backyard Buggy Series. Support our channel and the several hardworking men and women here by clicking like, subscribing, and ringing the bell.
Hell yeah, brother.
Jebby, you can't write a better script for this series finish. Just when you think Cullen was about to win his 3rd straight and pull away with the points championship, he finds himself in the back of the pack.
Well, lots of acceleration in that blue buggy at Post. He's flying around like a bat out of hell. He knows exactly what's at stake.
Yeah, Post really needs a good finish today to overtake Cullen in the points battle for first. Remember, each racer's worst finish is dropped, so it really comes down to who's winning the most races in the end.
Oh, Kosch caught bad rut. He needs 4-wheel drive or a lift kit ride by now.
Kosch takes off, but there's Nelson closing in, and here it is, folks, now over 6 seconds behind 4th. This is really the first time all year we've seen Cullen have a hard time getting to the front of the field as Luisa lets Post go by for the lap. Here's the battle for 3rd.
Oh, Nelson gets it really wrong over that jump. I just hope the driver inside is okay. But I'll tell you what, Kosch really got to run some consistent lines to keep on pace with Chip.
And speaking of, Luisa is on the back bumper of our race leader Post, albeit a lap down.
Post is running a nice line through that downhill section coming out of turn 2. Looking better than my 4th whore wife.
Cullen now hunting down Nelson in 4th, who has made a few bobbles of late. So far, Cullen's won 3 times and second 3 times through 6 rounds.
Battle for 4th.
And into the corner piping he goes. His struggles continue.
Nelson left the front door open, but Cullen has no control today.
This sucks, dude. This car sucks. This track's not good.
Cullen's frustration really starting to set in here as Post is closing in to lap Cullen a second time.
Oh my god, dude. This track sucks.
It's really hard to finesse these 2-wheel stock buggies on a loose track. There's a lot of babysitting of the throttle. But Cullen complaining right now? Come on, boy. That's as useless as tits on a hog.
Under 2 minutes to go now in round 7 as Nelson is the next victim off the slap landing, but he gets a generous marshal. Post and Luisa not too far behind, all on their own respective laps, secure in 1st and 2nd.
Post leading the whole race. I heard that sneaky veteran redone the turns at today's track. He's leaning on that pristine track IQ.
Meanwhile, the battle for 3rd suddenly reappears as Kosch has not had a great last few laps.
Nelson's not losing Kosch this time around. He might have found another gear.
Oh, Kosch pitched that turn too hard inside. Nelson goes by for position. Around the last turn, 3 and 4 go. Oh, and Kosch overcorrected into the cushion he goes. Cullen now to 4th place with Post on his heels 2 laps ahead.
Ooh-wee! 2-1 never disappoints. And Kosch rides right over Cullen's back for 4th. Something ain't right on Cullen's buggy. It really stop and go. Door to door to the technical section. Open that throttle.
Kosch slams the door on the inside turn and Post taps the rear end of Cullen and sends him into the cushion. This last minute is brought to you by 3D RC Racing, your RC car parts reimagined. Click the link in the description to learn more.
Sake, dude, I can't see anything.
26.6.
Why am I yelling? Why am I getting upset at this?
Nelson is showing that he can really wheel these things, moving up 2 spots on the grid, until now he's on his lid.
We'll see a lot of shakeup in the back of this mix here. We have to see who gets through turn 1 clean.
Finish 5th in a backyard buggy race. Are you kidding me right now?
Oh man, Nelson collected Kosch around turn 2. They're tied up. Cullen makes the pass to jump to 3rd.
Cullen's a fearless racer. He's like, I don't care, I'll pass if I feel like it. Oh my lord, is that a UFO?
A drone appeared to fall from the sky directly ahead of Nelson. Kosch slingshots ahead to 4th and then simultaneously crashes for Kosch and Nelson.
Post is staring at the checkered flag. He will take the win in round 7.
Post captures his 4th win on the 2021 series and reclaims the points championship lead. Following him was Luisa, Cullen, Kosch, and Nelson. We caught up with 2 competitors after this one to speak on the new look Red Hawk Raceway.
That's awesome. I like it. It's probably the most intricate track that we have. Really technical. It's nice because it has a lot of turns. It has a jump. Gives everyone just enough room to do what they need to do. Yeah, I was happy with how I ran. I had fun regardless. That's all that matters.
I think the track layout was good. The conditions were great today. Fortunate enough to come in podium, like to have 1st place, but keeping tires on the ground. You know, off that jump, tires on the ground.
The stage is set for a winner-take-all race finale at NR Extreme Speedway.
Thanks for watching, guys, but now I'm gonna go kick the out of Lars.
Come on, Jebby.
Get your ass over here, boy.
Glad to have you back, Jebby. I have some cleaning up to do, but we'll see you next time at RRLRC Backyard Racing.